Hello, I'm Sarah McDonald. I'm the Director of Research at Myeloma UK, and I'm here during Myeloma Awareness Week to say a huge thank you to the whole myeloma community for supporting our clinicals research programme. We know that clinical trials are really important to myeloma patients. For every patient diagnosed with myeloma, they need to have an approved drug or access to a clinical trial that's open so that they can have the best treatment possible for myeloma. Clinical trials are a really essential part of the research pipeline. It's the part where we find out if all the science and development that's gone on before, whether it really pays off for patients. It's about finding out, is the drug or the treatment actually as good as everyone's thought it's been, because it's a chance to see how it treats patients' myeloma. In the UK, we know that over 4,000 clinical trials are on pause now during the COVID-19 pandemic, primarily for patient safety, but also due to pressures of NHS beds, staff, equipment. We're one of the few patient organisations who have been invited to come and give us advice and input about how we get trials open, and I want to offer a level of reassurance that we will do our best to get clinical trials open as quickly, but more importantly, as safely for all myeloma patients. Next, I'd like to thank our really great researchers we work with. We work in partnership with the myeloma clinicians, and we fund the team at Leeds Clinical Trials Research Unit who develop early phase clinical trials, making sure that the newest compounds and treatments get into trials for myeloma patients. The really great thing about the myeloma community is that since 2009, over 1,100 patients have been able to access a clinical trial and have access to new drugs and treatments, often up to 8 or 9 years before they previously would have been available. And that's something that's completely fantastic and down to the support of you, the myeloma community. So as part of Myeloma Awareness Week, I hope you have a great week. I hope you have a great big night in, and thank you very much from all of us.